Hi everyone,
I'm Darshan.
I'm Zhenxian.
I'm Adam.
Today we're going to present about this cornell note-taking method. Enjoy!
So, the introduction to Cornell note method taking system. The Cornell note taking system was invented in the 1950s by Walter Pock, who was an education professor at Cornell University. This effective system for taking notes was made popular by Professor Pock's best-selling book, How to Study in College, and is still being used by college students today, including me. So what is the purpose of Cornell note-taking method system? Student accountability is an important aspect to successful student learning. However, many students lack the capability to take charge of this within the classroom. Many students are unaware of the important information that is needed to be recorded when studying or during a lecture. This investigation seeks to examine the effects of strategic note-taking using Cornell note-taking strategies. What is Cornell method? Cornell method is used during class or while reading a book to take abbreviated notes and to copy any diagrams or charts the instructor may use. It's a good idea to leave extra space between the main points and topics so that other details can be filled in later and to allow you to read your notes easily. The cues should be written down soon after the class is over. Cues are used for review and study and can include such things as questions anticipated on an exam, main ideas, and vocabulary words.
After listening to Darshan's introductions of Cornell's method, now let's have a look how to do this Cornell notes. Now, firstly, you need to prepare a note paper, which is blank. This paper later will be divided into several sections. And secondly, draw a horizontal line from the bottom, which is 2 inches from the bottom of the line on the paper. Then draw a horizontal line from the left, which is 3 inches. Then at this part, you'll be writing the title of the course and the lecturer's name. This will make your notes more organized and easier for your revision in future. And this bigger section is the part that you do your note taking. At this left column, you will need to write the keywords that you heard in the lecture. And while taking the notes, you must be aware of the points that are being emphasized and repeated. You must look for the signal that mark the important information. For example, when the lecturer says that this is a very important point, such as ... or you should all remember that ... And while doing the note taking, you must be very simple, because this will save the time for your listening and your writing time. And students are also encouraged to use abbreviations, for example, e.g., RIS, for example, and BTWN for between, and etc. Bullet points are also used also. And in this section, you must also always remember, general ideas are recorded instead of the illustrative example. This will save our time and space. And this also generates our own expression of the ideas, and this enhances our memories on the ideas also. And also, after class, you must also do reflections. Try to write some potential questions at this left column, and check and correct the incorrect items. And lastly, for this part, you'll do summary. You summarize all the main ideas at the bottom column of this page. You must clarify all the information. And while doing this part of summary, you must always ask yourself, how would I explain this information to someone else who doesn't know anything about this before? And by doing this, you have done the Cornell note-taking, and that is how Cornell style note-taking method.
Now that you know how to use this Cornell method, let's take a look of people who uses it. Most of the time, students use it during lectures and other lessons. Next, maybe lecturers during their seminars or even exhibitions. Next, maybe people with profession like journalists or reporters who take notes, and anybody who takes down notes as well. Next, let's take a look at the advantages of the Cornell method. It helps to keep notes organized, and it creates studying efficient. This is also a method for mastering information, not just recording information. it prepares the way for the next part of the learning, and it can reinforce what you are studying before by writing it down again. It also saves time, as it also helps you to make notes, and so that you don't need to write it over again.
That is all from us. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.